ईरान से डील के बाद हालात में बेहतरी आई। मुसव्विदे का एक एक लफ्ज सामने लाऊंगा। उम्मीद है कि ईरान के साथ मुआहदे का दूसरा मरहला जल्द मुकम्मल होगा। अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की मुत्तहदा अरब अमारात के अमीर के हमरा सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू। कहा कि जुम्मे तक आबना हुर्मुज़ मुकम्मल तौर पर खोल दी जाएगी। ईरान इब्राहिम रिकॉर्ड की सबसे बड़ी रुकावट था। अब उम्मीद है कि मज़ीद ममालिक शामिल होंगे। डील के बाद स्टॉक मार्केट में तेज़ी आई। क्रिप्टो और दीगर मार्केट्स भी बेहतर परफॉर्म कर रही हैं। MOU में वाज़े तौर पर लिखा है कि ईरान एटमी हथियार हासिल नहीं कर सकता।
And once they get it done, they have to get back to business, and the relationship is now normalized. So I think it's going to go pretty quickly, Steve. Could go faster. Could take longer too, but it could go faster. But I'll go over the document with the media in a couple of days. But I just want to say that the relationship has been outstanding. He's a man of great respect. Everybody respects him, and they respect your country. And it's an honor to be with you. And we just signed a deal with Iran, and this country was a very powerful ally. And good things are happening. The ships are starting to move now. We're going to have it fully open by Friday. The ships are starting to move nicely. Oil is starting to go, and the prices are coming down rapidly. Stock market is going up rapidly. A lot of good things are happening, and most importantly, Iran will not have a nuclear weapon. That was how I got involved in this. We can't let that happen, so they will not have a nuclear weapon.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।